Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to do it, how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to give you enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job on this project. I have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something that you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video is really designed for students who are doing projects on the state of Colorado. Colorado became the 38th state to join the Union on August 1st, 1876. The original governor was a guy named John Rout. Now, while we know that the current capital of Colorado is Denver, that wasn't always the case. The original capital for Colorado was Colorado City. The state flag over here consists of a white stripe down the middle with a blue stripe above and below it with a giant C in the middle filled in with yellow. The state bird is the lark bunting, the state tree is the blue spruce, the state flower is the Colorado blue columbine, and the state nickname is the Sentinel State. The state motto is Nil sine numen, which is Latin for nothing without providence or deity. That's kind of cool. Hopefully this is enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job on this project. Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.